Hey guys, I'm back with another video for you today here in Milan at Exons 2025. I've got Hyun here with me.
Hello.
He has just launched a new house called
BLNDRGRPHY.
right?
Yeah.
So he actually had us another brand called Hunk. This is his second brand. And I discovered the fragrances last September during Pitti Fragranza in Florence. Actually posted about one of them, which is right here, Vanilla Mudslide.
And also Patchouli.
And yeah, I did a video about or featured the Patchouli Mojito in a video, but I'm going to go over the fragrances with you today, find out about BLNDRGRPHY coming right up. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm Sebastian. Thank you for doing this video with me.
You, Sebastian.
I know it was a little last minute and it's a bit chaotic here behind the scenes.
It's been a crazy week.
Crazy week. You've had some successes?
Yes, it's a very great show.
Yeah? How is the feedback with the fragrances?
Very good, very good.
Cool.
A lot of people like multiple fragrances.
Great.
Like, oh, this is my favorite. Oh, I like this too.
Well, I've been hearing a lot about this one.
Yes, it's a banger.
Yeah, but this is my favorite.
I know. Yeah.
But when you told me last September that you worked with the Flair team of perfumers, I was very excited. And there's a reason why I fell in love with this one. It's just, it has their DNA all over. So why did you decide to work with this team of perfumers at Flair?
Yeah, I wanted to work with female perfumers for this. And then I like the dynamic of the 5 team members working together. And then each one of them did one fragrance.
I understand that, yeah. So let's start in order. We have Jasmine Martini, which is my second favorite from the line.
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about Jasmine Martini.
So Jasmine Martini is like a martini boozy scent with the white floral. When you order dry martini, dirty martini, there is olive juice in it. So the saltiness comes more towards to the aquatic note.
Yeah.
So aquatic, salty, a little bit dirty, white floral.
It's quite dirty on me and musky, which is what I like about it. So your fragrances are come in wooden boxes with a cocktail shaker. Why did you decide to do a collection of fragrances that are inspired by cocktails?
Yeah, cocktail is my favorite drinks, and then every day after work I drink 1 or 2 cocktails.
Okay, that's a nice way to end the day.
Yes. So
I like
want
a good
to
cocktail.
invite this my audience to inviting them to get into this boozy lifestyle.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think most people like having a boozy lifestyle, don't they?
No.
So yeah, this one for me, it's bright and overdosed with jasmine,
white flower,
and slightly boozy. I don't get it like a real spirit, like a rum or whiskey or
Juniper,
cognac kind of a touch. But this is more like
light
aromatic. Yeah. You have juniper and
olives.
Is it gin or is it actually gin?
Yeah, you're gin based, but we use the juniper
to create that gin experience. Again, this is my second favorite. I can still smell the DNA of the Flair fragrances. And there's something super sexy about it.
Yeah, when you wear it, its musk goes like a little bit dirty and sensual, like those kinds of things.
Yeah. This is created by which perfumer at Flair?
Camille.
Camille Chemardin.
Yeah.
So how did you end up selecting the perfumers for each of the fragrances? Or the briefs, I should say.
I briefed all together, all 5 of them, and then they decide, I want to do this, I want to do this, I want to do this, and then 2 of them working mostly together on it, and then at the end we select which one.
Okay, that's awesome. This is just awesome. I love it.
It's gonna be very happy fragrance during summer.
I think it's a great summer fragrance, yes. With that muskiness, I think it'll be super sexy. So the second fragrance is Patchouli Mojito. But you know what, before we talk about this, how did you decide you wanted to use a certain highlight note for each of the cocktails?
Yeah, it comes with my memories as well. So, for example, the martini, I had this person, I used to drink martini together, and then that inspiration comes from that moment.
Okay, interesting.
The patchouli, for example, is one of my favorite perfume notes.
It's my favorite note, actually.
And young generation, they don't really like patchouli because it's too earthy, too heavy, and could be too old in a way.
Okay.
yeah. But so
old is not bad.
So I wanted to approach something more refreshing, clean,
It's clean.
crispy.
Yeah, it's clean and
crispy
kind of
patchouli.
Yeah, clean and aromatic and camphor.
Yeah.
I get from this.
New
It's
direction.
eucalyptus, right?
Yeah, eucalyptus, lemon, lime.
Okay, mojito. All right, let's try this. And this is created by Amélie Bourgeois.
Yes.
This is my third favorite of the line.
Mm-hmm.
And you really get the camphor qualities of the eucalyptus.
Yeah, and then you get this crispy, fresh, watery, like almost patchouli is deep in the water.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have like a
water
damp
yeah.
experience.
Yeah. Summery.
It's very I think this is perfect for summer too. It's very
Yeah.
fresh with some slight depth with
Yeah.
the patchouli. You have rum in the notes.
Yeah,
I'm
rum.
assuming mojito is made with rum.
Yes.
But this is not ultra boozy.
Yeah, but it's perfume at the end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Did you try a version of the fragrance
Yes,
with more rum?
Yes.
Yeah.
So the new one we are developing for after this is
Oh, you have another one coming.
two coming.
Two more.
It's about the musk. So what we do is
Oh, I love musk.
There is a clean musk and then animalic musk. So
Okay.
what we do together is like a clean musk 20%, 80%, 30%, 70%.
Oh, okay.
So we first do that and then analyze what is the best DNA for us.
Okay.
And then we're gonna develop perfume.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have a musk coming with a certain cocktail.
Yes.
And what else do you have coming?
Saffron.
Ooh, saffron. Okay, that sounds exciting.
Yeah, but that's for now. I
That's-
don't know. Yeah,
You don't know yet.
Yeah, I don't know yet.
Okay.
Could be agave.
Okay, agarwood. All right. All right. So let's try the next one. My favorite.
Mudslide.
This is vanilla mudslide. It's so delicious, guys. If you haven't tried it yet, please do. This is created by Anne-Sophie Behaghel.
Yes.
Yeah, she's so good at this. This one's so amazing. This is actually, when I first started wearing it, I didn't get the nuttiness as much, but there's a lot of almonds in here after
Yeah,
I started
sweet
wearing
almond
it.
is there.
Really prominent,
present,
yeah.
And then butter,
Butter as
Yeah.
well, so it's kind of good, like creamy.
creamy.
When I wear it, I get tobacco.
Yeah, maybe. I also
Maybe
don't
like
know.
all
Yeah,
the notes
all
working together. So how did you end up deciding vanilla and mudslide? I've never had a mudslide before, so is that a typical note in mudslide or no?
Mudslide is 90s, 80s, 90s cocktail
Uh-huh.
with chocolate, coffee, cream, and rum, vodka. You know, like a Kahlua or
Oh,
Bailey's
okay.
kind of thing.
So it makes sense to combine all these
Yeah.
notes together. Yeah, this is super delicious, guys. If you are a vanilla lover like me, you're gonna love it. And if you also like that flare DNA that's available in a lot of other fragrances, you're really gonna enjoy this one. It's also super long lasting.
long lasting, and there's you walk around with a little bit of
A sillage?
No, yeah,
No? A cloud?
aura, yeah,
Aura.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this is really, really amazing. Check this one out, Vanilla Mudslide. That's my number one favorite. So we had Vanilla Mudslide at 1, Jasmine Martini at 2, Patchouli Mojito at number 3 for me, and my fourth favorite is the Amber Negroni. But you know what? I've been hearing quite a bit about this one. A lot of people seem to like it. It's almost like a fresh, citrusy, orangey touch with kind of like a little bit of a warm gourmand thing
Yeah, and
happening.
then earthy, a little bit earthy.
You have cacao in this,
Yeah.
right?
Yes,
Is it chocolate? Or
chocolate.
Yeah.
Chocolate and white chocolates.
Oh, both types
Yeah.
of chocolate. So there's a creamy layer with this one.
Caramel there too.
Negroni used to be one of my favorite cocktails. It
Still-
seems too strong for me nowadays. I haven't been drinking it because it just conks me out.
Yeah, because it's there's nothing else but liquor. in
Liquor,
it.
alcohol, yeah. So it's so strong.
Yeah.
But this is like a very light take, not light as in not strong fragrance, more like a citrusy gourmand.
Yes, so there's a sweet orange, bitter orange, sour orange. They're all fighting. I call it. My briefing was oranges having Olympic Games.
Okay.
So they are
The
like
Orange
fighting.
Olympic Games.
Yes, so they are fighting all the time, and then somebody had to calm that down. So we needed to some earthy kind of
Notes.
scent in it. Notes.
Yeah.
We could do oak moss. We tried. We also tried the patchouli, but chocolate here, cocoa, did
Yeah.
that job.
Did the job, yeah. It is great, yeah. I do like this one. If I had to say if this is 3 or 4, because it's kind of like fighting between the Patchouli Mojito and the
Olympics.
Amber Negroni, so I can't decide which is my favorite between the two, but I went with Patchouli Mojito as my number 3. But The Amber Negroni might take its place. But the last fragrance is
Santal Painkiller.
Santal Painkiller.
Painkiller is the high-end pina colada.
Okay.
Yes.
So the high when
you are in a hotel resort, then you order pina colada.
But
when you go to the city hotel lounge, then you order painkiller.
Painkiller. Okay, so in a resort, it's a pina colada, but more in like a city
Urban,
experience. It's urban. It's a painkiller. Okay.
Painkiller, yes.
So it kills the pain.
Yes, it does. Yeah, I'm living in Amsterdam. It's always cold and wet.
Yeah.
And then I need this to brighten up.
Yeah. So why did you decide to combine sandalwood with the painkiller?
I thought it was an interesting mix, and then I couldn't recall anything with the pineapple thing with the sandalwood, so I thought
this is created by
Margot
Lepagnoran. Okay, so she's become a favorite perfumer of mine. I end up liking a lot of her fragrances,
Yes.
but this one doesn't do it for me. I don't know why. Is it because it's sandalwood? Maybe I'm bored of sandalwood.
possible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what do you have besides sandalwood in this? Nutmeg.
Yeah, and then cinnamon.
Cinnamon. So it's warm, spicy.
Yeah,
a bit
warm,
creamy.
spicy, creamy. Coconut is in there as well. Sandalwood in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the show's been great for you,
Yes, very good.
and you've got a couple of new fragrances coming out.
Yes.
Yeah. And
So
your
stay
fragrances.
tuned.
Stay
Yeah.
tuned. When should we expect the new ones?
PT.
Oh, okay. So what in September?
September,
we'll see
working
some
really
new
hard.
ones.
Yes.
And the fragrances are currently sold at ZGO Perfumery in San Francisco,
Yes.
and probably other stores worldwide.
Yes. It's
Yeah.
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 It's, in London, Hamburg, Dubai, available also Geneva,
Oh, okay.
all European cities.
Yeah, and then any additional retailers outside of ZGO in the USA?
I'm working on it.
You're working on it.
If
Okay.
you see it, call me.
Okay, thanks
Yeah.
so much for
Thank you
doing
so
this
much.
video.
Yeah.
Good luck with this line. And then, guys, definitely check out Vanilla Mike's MUDSLIDE. It's my favorite of the line. Absolutely love it. It's so super delicious. And I think you're going to love it if you love a spicy, chocolatey, nutty vanilla. Thanks so much for watching today's video.
Thank
If you
you.
have any questions or comments, please list below. Please like this video. Please share it. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll be back with more videos very soon. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.